So guys, niko na jug mbili hapa. By jug I mean electric jug, si jug ya maji. So these two particular electric jugs, moja ni yangu nimekuwa nikitumia for the past 4 months, na ingine ni a client, it's here to be fixed or rather repaired because haiwaki ama haifanyi kazi ama haichemshi maji. But something funny ni this particular jug yenye imeletwa, this is the 7th time I'm fixing it, and 4 out of 7 times I have been successful to fix it. The other 3 times imepatikana that the heating element iko attached na surface ya hiyo place inachemsha, so hiyo haiwezi toka, na kama haiwezi toka, that renders the entire jug useless once heating element imechomeka. So I'm here to compare these two jugs side by side. I rather believe kama nimetumia yangu 4 months na nilibuy around 1500 shillings, na they say this other one still goes for the same amount. Kama yangu imeserve for around 4 months, ingine na haija fail already, then it means pia ingine I don't know how much it had served, but the number of times I've fixed it, inamaanisha it's not a worthy competitor to the one I'm using. And even though both two jugs are not of the highest, best quality in the market, but I still think that kwa mkulima mdogo you need something that you can work with. Yeah, you need something that you can work with. So anyway, not to go further with the explanation or rather bore you, let me just show you what I mean and what I have here, so that you can see the design and how this particular two jugs compare against each other. Both of these jugs have this sleek white plastic design, though they come also in different colors. They have a 2.3 liter capacity hold. They are cordless, as you can see, and have a power rating of 1500 watts. What that means is that either of these jugs consume 1500 watts of electricity when running at full capacity. Both have an auto shut off and boil dry protection. Eurochef has been boiling my coffee water daily for the past 4 months since I relocated here in Juja, and since then I have repaired 6 jugs, both Ailyons. They have a very low quality top plug that breaks every time it's plugged in or out of the socket outlets, which I've changed 4 of them. These two jugs cost around the same price. Eurochef retails at around 1500 cash, and Haleon goes for around 1200 cash. But for a wholesale price, these jugs go for 500 shillings for the Eurochef, and for the Ailyons it goes for 300 shillings if you're buying them from wholesale. So this here is the top plug of the Ailyons. You can see how it looks like, and this other one is the top plug for Eurochef. It is very sleek and it has also its own fuse, while this other one doesn't have a fuse. I think this is among the reasons why it's always blowing its heating element. So onto the repair. So this is the panel that jug inakalia na iko na power cable. That's why you're calling it a cordless kettle. Ukitoa hapo hivyo kettle inaenda kama haina maji, haina hiyo power cable, inabaki kama iko kwa stand, meza, somewhere penye place. So this is me measuring the continuity range of the wires to see if all wires are okay. Hakuna short katikati. They should be giving me one mwisho zote hivyo, low resistance zote. That means wire iko complete. Kama imekatika haitaonyesha anything. Kama iko complete, it should be ringing or showing me a very low resistance. So wire zote ziko sawa from my determination. Then we head on kuangalia kama heating element yake iko sawa. I could measure the heating element from outside without actually opening the kettle itself, but for the sake of this video and trying to show you why heating element ikichomeka it renders this jug useless or worthless, I had to open it and show you. So there it is, the heating element. It's actually attached to the body or chassis of the entire kettle. Hii haiwezi toka, The fact that haiwezi toka, that means it cannot be replaced or repaired, just in case ichomeke. So again, we determine if it's okay by using our multimeter, and I can measure the state of the heating element using either the continuity range or the ohms range. By the ohms range, I mean the resistance of the heating element, and it should give me something between 40 and 30 ohms because of the power rating itself. So that's a 0.38, that's a 0.33. So that means the heating element is okay. So then that means lazima tuangalie shida iko wapi, given that all these parameters are okay. So using the multimeter has shown that everything on this particular kettle stroke jug, literally because it looks like a jug, that's why I'm calling it a jug, like an electric jug, is okay. The heating element is okay. There's a complete continuity on the power line or the supply cable. So here it's me actually trying to change the top plug, because the other one initially iko faulty na inakaa more like haiwezi actually ingia kwa top plug. So this will be replacing it with another one which is actually much better compared to the existing one. And I didn't take a footage of the fault I found with the panel ya hiyo jug kukalia. Kuna hizo probes ziko ndani ndio zinashikana na jug ikikalia. So penye nakaa hiyo sitting ndio ikuwe supplied na power ya kuheat hiyo heating element, kuna venye zinaachana. So I had to replace them, put them new ones there. So both hizo probes za supply power ni mpya, and then the top plug, as you can see, bado pia ni mpya. So afterwards we had to test and it works okay. Client inafaa ichukue anytime from now, afurahie na itumie venye amezoea. So for the fact that I repaired this specific brand for the past 3 months 7 times, niko na very low opinion about it, because a product yenye ni mzuri na iko kwa market haifai ikuwe na shida kila saa, na ikuwe the same shida zinapata karibu kila mtu. If it cuts across like that for everything, then it renders that particular product worthless in the market. So personally, I have a very strong opinion about Eurochef, which I'm using, and it has served me well. And if you're going to get something that's pocket friendly for yourself, you can go for this particular brand. Anyway, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Tell me what particular product you're using, how it's serving you, or if you're going to get one, then which particular one you're going to get. Nonetheless, thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel and turn the notification on. I drop 2 videos every week and you don't want to miss them. So tell me, which jug is your good fit in the comment section. You can also tell me which one you're using at your place, or which one you rather buy as compared to what we have here. There are very many jugs in the market, and these are actually among those that are coming from China and are selling so quick. I don't know if it's because of the price, or is that just a new product introduced in the market and that's why people are going for it. Nonetheless, thank you for watching the video once again, and see you around.